When was the last time your machine failed? Were you left unaware while on vacation or sleeping? Did your machine trip in the middle of a production line and leave you with losses and expenses? Naturally, asset managers have a difficult time keeping tabs and making sure all their assets are functioning up to standards. Over time, not repairing damaged parts may be detrimental to your system's health, leaving you with unpredictable costs during important timelines. Well, worry no more with Predicta4. Introducing Predicta4, your solution towards healthy assets. Predicta4 analyzes and understands potential machine failures ahead of time and notifies the user, preventing severe damages to your machinery. Predicta4 guarantees you a device with increased safety, easy setup, complete remote access, autopilot solutions, an everlasting battery life, and a completely wireless device. Predictive4 doesn't require any specialized training. Any team can easily install the device in less than 2 minutes. With the setup app and powerful magnets, the device will be placed onto the machine, then it will collect the data and send it to the cloud. Our unique device does not require plugs or deal with wires. Predicta4's sensor improves general safety as it allows you to monitor difficult-to-reach areas remotely. This feature allows your team to check machines' health frequently online rather than in high-risk areas. On Predicta4's dashboard, vibration and temperature trend graphs aid users in predicting failures ahead of time. A collection of highly accurate vibration data helps detect problems by waveform plots and fast Fourier transform. With remote control access, customers will receive notifications and warning messages if Predicta4 detects imbalance, misalignment, looseness, bearing faults, and more, which grants you complete control over your asset. Don't worry if you don't have time to monitor the graphs. Our dedicated technical team is here for you 24/7. Start your Predicta4 journey today. Choose a plan that best fits your company needs or create a free account to set up and start monitoring. With Predicta4, customers have one less thing to worry about and never have to fear a machine failure again.